Dear student, I think we have completed exemption. Is there anyone who can explain us about two, three exemptions which we have learned under section 11 of CGST Act? As per your choice. Any two, three exemptions. So this is exempted like that. And then subsequently we will start the practical question based on section 11. Anyone? Anyone? Any exemptions? See, for your hint, I can give you, yes, Samida, you can start.
Good morning, sir. Sir, I can give any exemptions, right? Any.
Here there is no
Sir,
sections which are involved.
Okay. Services by educational institution.
Very good.
That is by. Sorry.
Very good answer.
Okay. Students or staff. It includes transportation or catering services. Then services by IIM, CAT
Yes.
exams and all.
Okay.
Then services like recognized sports clubs, services given to recognized sports club. For zoos, amusement park tickets which are below 250 rupees, above 250 rupees.
No, no.
Amuse.
Zoos, and the park, it is free
Sorry,
of
sir.
cost. It is free of cost only when there is any kind of circus or anything.
Circus.
There the limit is 250. Very nice. Very good.
Sir, general insurance also.
Okay, now let us other also give certain answers.
Okay.
Yes. Rusti, go ahead.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Vita.
So there are toll charges, a
Very
religious
good.
ceremony which comes under section 12AA, and there is like services under RDO, services from librarians, and there are insurance also which comes like national pension schemes and defense good insurance.
Very good.
And
Very nice. See, the only objective for having this questions to be asked from you all is to get an idea that how much you have learned. Because see, until unless you learn, again, if I am attempting those questions and you do not have the background, if you have not learned, you may not be able to answer those exemptions questions. So that's why I have asked few questions. Now let us directly go to the topic of ours, whereby we will be going to solve few questions. So this is the question. Mr. Param registered under GST. So of course, if he is registered under GST, he has to liable to pay the tax. Being the dealer, furnish the following business transaction took place during October 2017. Find GST liability, sale of plastic bangles, supply of mobile phone, sale of printed book and newspaper, sale of dates, and sale of salt. Taxable supply attract GST at the rate of 5%, which is CGST 2.5% and SGST 2.5%. That means it is intra-state transactions. So what do you feel? Which all are taxable? One hint I can give you, amongst all, only one is taxable. Rest all are exempted. Yes, Srushti? If you find
The
that,
mobile phone is taxable.
yes, absolutely right. Rest all are exempted. I hope now you must have realized the importance of exemption. So like here, there are, because right now we are learning exempted items. So you are finding more of exempted items. But when we learn taxable item, what will happen? There will be 4 taxable and 1 non-taxable. So that way it will play very vital role. And we have seen all this in last year also. Scope of total income or other sources or any other computation also, 1 or 2 item exempted का डाल देता था. Yes or no? Either dividend or क्या था, gratuity and all we used to compute from section 10, UTI income, anything they may give. यहाँ भी एक तो दे देंगे and then you need to compute them. Do you have lecture today after 11? 11 to 11:40 also you have lecture today? What happened, Aradhya? Unable to hear.
Charitable institution exempt, charitable institution exempt, charitable institution, charitable organization, charitable
That we will have in
NP.
next question we will be having, don't worry. That will also come, charitable institution. First let them finish. I'm finding many of them they are writing. Let them write. Completed. Should we proceed to the next question? Mehak, Kinjal, so next question is like this. Andhra Trust, an entity registered under section 12AA, what Sushti has referred, of Income Tax Act 1961, has furnished you the following details with respect of activity undertaken by, by the trust. You are required to compute the tax liability from the following information. These are the particulars. Amount received for yoga camp organized for elderly people, 4,83,000. Payment made for service received from service provider located in USA for the purpose of providing charitable activity, 5,50,000. Amount received for counseling mentally disabled person, 10,50,000. Amount received for renting the commercial property owned by trust, 1,50,000. Amount received for activities relating to preservation of forest and wildlife. Okay, preservation of forest and wildlife, 12,35,000. Note, here the applicable GST rate is 9%, 9%, GST, NSGST. And another trust is not eligible for composition levy. Of course, then this tax rate is not having 9 and 9, 18%. Am I right? There the maximum limit is how much? Till last year it was 5%. Now it is 6%. If you are there in composition, then the taxability is very low. So again, write down the question. And from my side, there will be 2 hints. Slide 1, first point, slide 2, first point. If you can refer, then you can answer this question. So write these things, you will be able to understand, and then you will be in a position to answer. Thank you, Aradhya. Others has also completed. Let them write. So Ananda Trust के लिए what you feel? How much will be the liability? Where they will be liable to pay the tax? Yeah, tell me, Aradhya. Unmute yourself first. You have to unmute, beta. You are on mute.
Sir. The amount received for yoga camps organized for elderly people are exempted.
Okay.
Payment made for services rendered from a service provider typically used for charitable activities. So this is also exempted.
Very nice.
That amount received for renting of commercial property owned by Paul Trust it is not exempted. Only it is not
Very good.
exempted.
Very good.
The amount received for considering for counseling medical defense person is also exempted. So the liability comes to CGST 9% of 1,50,000, HGST 9% of 1,50,000, 13,500, 7,500, total comes to 27,000.
Very good. And one you have left, forest and wildlife. That is also charitable, no? So I told you guys there is only one thing you have to be very focused. What we have learned in slide 1. First, we have to check whether it is covered under section 12A or not, as Rusti has very clearly stated. And the second, on the second slide, it was very clearly mentioned. Okay, that all charitable activity will be exempted. Only the commercial activity will be chargeable. Rest all are charitable activity. Yes or no? And here is your answer. You can write like this also. This format also you can write, no problem. Or you can write like this also. Choice is yours. Am I clear? So see, right? ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, कोई problem नहीं है. You can refer section 11 and exempted. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, कोई problem नहीं. So this will be the taxability of Ananda Charitable Trust. And very good, Aradhya. It's humble request to all of you, kindly go through all the things what I have taken in previous lecture of section 11. That's very important. Okay. Additional material I have given it to you. So that also, if you want, you can refer, or you can refer from the textbook, no problem. And then you can start solving this question. And try to complete your assignment, because next week I am going to check your assignment books also before the first C1. And now I need your new roll numbers. If you are there with old roll numbers, sorry, we can't give you the mark. I hope that notice also came that new roll numbers are required. Last week only we have forwarded that notice. And before exam, try to get the new roll numbers. If at all, again, I'm telling you, you have any problem related to these, please come to the office We will try to resolve it. Meet us, meet the higher authorities, meet the principal ma'am. Things will be done. Is this clear? And we inform other friends also who are not attending lectures or not on time. Because since last 2-3 lectures, I purposely logged the meeting and I told you before doing so, because in your class we get lot of disturbance if we are adding the students. Yes or no? So better is what? Let us focus on studying rather than wasting the time to removing this and that. It's mere waste of time and energy. So here what we found in Ananda, rest all were charitable things. Only one was commercial thing. So once it comes to commercial, they will be liable to pay tax. Thank you very much. Be at home, be safe. Study well. See you on Friday. If at all I will not get any additional lecture. Someone will go then, like last week, I may get extra lecture. Otherwise, again we'll be meeting on Friday. And by then, I hope things will be done from your end. Yes or no? Yes. These few students, Amida, Kruti, Aditi, Kinjal, Mathli, who's putting their video mode on.